Good morning, children. It's Saturday and it's a activity day. So today we will open drawing and coloring book, page number 7, Talking Parrot. What we have to do is color the parrot as indicated. Means parrot is given and colors are also given. We have to only fill it the colors. Okay. Now which colors can you see? This is parrot green or light green color. Means parrot's body is in light green color. Parrot's beak red. Legs light pink. Tree branch brown color. And leaves in green, dark green color. Okay, let's start coloring. First, I'll take this light green color and start coloring. We have done with the parrot's body. Let's color the beak. We have done with the beak. Now legs. The branch. Let's color the leaves. We are done with it. Do you know one fact about parrot? Parrot can copy your voice. If you say hi, hello, it can repeat the same voice. Okay, children, enjoy coloring. Happy weekend. Bye.